Hello students. So I hope you people are able to clear your concept of area of rectangle and area of rectangular path. Now today we are going to discuss about area of parallelogram. As you know that parallelograms are the quadrilaterals having opposite sides parallel to each other. In parallelogram, both the sides are parallel to each other. Means what? This side give a name. No? So in this case, AB parallel to CD. We can say that AB parallels to CD, and also we can say that AD parallel to BC. Parallel to BC. So in this case, this figure ABCD is a parallelogram. Does need not to say that all the opposite sides are equal. Clear? Because all these two and these two are parallels, then automatically these two sides and these two sides are equal to each other. So this is your parallelograms definition or information. How we find the area of a parallelogram? Generally, when we observe that we try to find out the perpendicular distance between two parallel lines. Clear? See very carefully. This is a perpendicular distance between AB and CD. Though we are finding the perpendicular distance between these two lines, so one of these two lines act as a base of a parallelogram. Clear? Remember, again I'm explaining you. If you pay attention on this one, then you are able to solve all the sums. First, we find out the perpendicular distance between these two parallel lines or any of the parallel lines. Doesn't matter that whether these two or these two. We first find out the perpendicular distance between two parallel lines. Why I am saying perpendicular distance? Because perpendicular distance is the shortest distance between two lines or two parallel lines. Between two parallel lines. So this is your, and this is considered as a height. And any one of the parallel line, corresponding parallel lines are known as your base corresponding to the height. So this is your height, this is your base. So area of parallelogram, we can use symbol also. Area of parallelogram equals to parallelogram. You can write either this way or best way to writing parallelogram. Make a parallelogram's parallel symbol and GM. Parallelogram equals to base, this one, into height. Question may confuse you. Question may just ask some different language, but ultimately we have to use this formula. So this is the formula for finding the area of parallelogram. Let's discuss some questions. Let me rub the board first. I know this is killing your time of video, so you have to adjust a little bit now during this lockdown period. Okay. I have a question. In this question, it is given that area of parallelogram ABCD is 72 centimeter square. Already area given. Area is 72 centimeter square. It is given, and then it is given that DE equals to 8 centimeter. DE equals to 8 centimeter. Question asked to you find AB. And one figure is given to us. So what is the figure? This is the figure. Clear? It's A, B, C, D. And what is E? Where is E? So E must be this perpendicular distance where E drops, perpendicular drops. Clear? We have this whole area and all these things. As we know from formula that area equals to base into height. So here we have height, that is your perpendicular distance, but we don't have base. Place all the values. 8, area 72. So therefore we can say that base equals to 72 upon 8. It's a 9 centimeter. You must remember to give the unit, otherwise I or anyone can reduce your marks for this based maybe half marks, maybe 1 mark depending upon the question. So you must give unit at the end of your answer. So this is the solution. I hope you are able to find out the solution. In many questions, your base is given, your height is given, question asks you find the area. So I think you are able to find the area of such type of questions. Now next question we are going to discuss. I am. Now, next question is, sorry for this disturbance. This is my classroom, so many teachers make ask, sir, please give this one, this one. You can adjust it. Now, next one is a very good question. The side of a rhombus are given and its height is given. Find the area. So let's try this solve this question. As we know that rhombus is a parallelogram, have all the sides are equal. Means what? This parallel to this one and also these two are equals. Even this parallel to this one and also these two are equals. Before we discuss about this question, let me clear the symbols. I hope you are observing. This arrowhead shows that these two lines are parallel and this bar type symbol shows that these two are equal, parallel and equal. Again in this case, though all the 4 lines are equal, so we use the same symbol. But in this case, these two are parallel to each other, so we use the different one, double arrow. Clear? So this is the formula. This is also a rhombus, so we can use the same formula for finding the area of parallelogram. In this case, height must be given. So question says that side of a rhombus 12.5 centimeter and height is 6 centimeter. Height must be this one. Clear? It's a 12.5 centimeter this side, each side 12.5 centimeter and height is your 6 centimeter. Clear? So what is the area? Area equals to base into height. And this one is your 12.5 into 6. Okay, so what is the formula? 12 6 are 72 and 6 5 are 3. How we find this one? 0 6 3 12 6 are 72 75 centimeters square. This is the answer. So I hope you are able to understand this one. In my book, it is given that there is a question. I don't know. It is question number 4 in my book. It is given that there is a parallelogram. Clear? There is a parallelogram. This one is longer side, this one is shorter side. And the length of the sides are given. This is your 15 centimeter. This is your 9 centimeter. and one height is given, that height between shorter side, perpendicular distance between shorter side, this one, perpendicular distance between shorter side is 7 centimeter. Clear? Perpendicular distance is 7 centimeter. So we have to find out, the question is very unique. Find the distance between the longer side. We have to find out this distance. Means A, B, C, D, the name, and B. Question asked to us, this is your E and this one is your F. No, this one is E, because first we draw this one. Na? So BE is given to you and your question asked you DF. Question asked that what is the value of DF. Clear? So how we find this? As usual, area of parallelogram. Area equals to base into height. What is the base over here? In this case, we can say base either AD or BC. So AD into, and BE is the height. What is the AD? AD is your 9, BE is your 7. It's 63 centimeters square. This is the area of this one. Now again, question asked to you about DF, this one. As we know that area of parallelogram is always same. Here area equals to AB into DF. AB into DF. What is the value of AB? It's a 15. We don't know the value of DF. It is 63 is given. Area, we just now find out the area. So into DF. So therefore DF equals to 63 upon 15. It's a 4.2. 15 folds are 60. 4.2 centimeter. This is the solution of this type of question. Means all the sides are given and one height is given to you. If you find out the other height, next height, then we can use this way. Now one last question for this video. In this question it is given that area of parallelogram and area of, one last question, it is given that area of parallelogram and a square are same. Square, there are two different figures, area of parallelogram and area of square are same. If the perimeter of the square is 100 meter, perimeter is given, and the height of parallelogram is 15 meter, find the length of the corresponding base of the parallelogram. First we have to draw the figure, note down what is given to us, then only you can start to solve. Clear? So in this case we have a square, this one, and another one is your parallelogram. Now both area are equal, perimeter is given. In this case perimeter equals to 100 meter. Clear? And height of the parallelogram is same, 15 meter. In this case we have height equals to 15 meter. So give the name, it's ABCD, it's a PQRS. Here height is given, ST, height is given. Clear? 15 meter. area are equal. So from this we can find out 4 into side equals to 100, side equals to 25 meters. Just for this one, as we know that area of square is equals to area of this one. What is the area of square? We can find out area of square easily. The area equals to side square, and it's a 25 square. It's near about 625. 25 5s are 125, 12, 25 to the 50, 625 meters square. Clear? This is for the case of square. Now in case of parallelogram, as we know that area equals to base into height. Height is your ST, base is your PQ. So PQ into ST. And question asked to us, find the length of the corresponding base of the parallelogram, means PQ. Area is your 625 equals to PQ into 15. Therefore PQ equals to 625 upon 15. 41 whole 10 upon 15, or 41 whole 5 2s are 2 upon 3 meter. Clear? So this is your solution. So all of you try to solve up to question number 6. Solve exercise 22C up to 1 to 6 in your fair copy. Clear? And in this exercise you have to solve only this question. Rest are reduced for your this time session. That's all for this video. Thank you.